Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, put on full gear, test your smoker, and keep the hive tool in your dominant hand. Light smoke for a short puff, then wait 30 to 60 seconds so bees calm but stay active. Crack the top and remove the outer frames first, then pull center frames one at a time. Look for a concentrated brood pattern and adult clustering. These are your first clues. Make sure to hold frames vertical and move smoothly so you don't flush the queen out of sight. Once you've located likely frames, narrow the search by scanning both sides slowly, focusing on brood comb and edges where a queen prefers to walk. Use low light and steady hands so you can pick out her long abdomen and smooth gait versus worker bodies. If you spot a large, shiny thorax or see attendants forming a circle, pause and confirm, move slowly to avoid startling her. If visibility is poor, isolate that frame in a temporary observation. When you've positively identified the queen, gently cup her between two fingers or use a soft bee brush and guide her into a marked queen cage for temporary safety. Make sure you mark the cage with color and date for records. Replace frames in original order to preserve orientation and brood temperature, then close the hive quietly. If you can't find a queen, examine brood pattern and look for emergency queen cells. Poor brood distribution suggests she's missing or failing, which is your primary troubleshooting clue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.